I know all of you like drawing pictures and coloring it. Like that, we use a pencil and a crayons to draw and color. Then how will you draw or color a picture in a computer? For this, we can use a program called Paint. Paint has tools that we can use to draw and color pictures on a computer. For drawing and coloring, you have to first start Paint. How will you start a paint? To start a paint, you have to left click on the start button, left click on all programs, left click on accessories and left click on paint. By doing this, we can start paint. Now the paint screen appears. This paint screen has many parts. Can you see? The top part of the paint screen is known as the title bar, and this shows the name of the program. It also shows the name of the document that you are working on. Below the title bar is the ribbon. The ribbon has two parts, tabs and groups. The two tabs are Home and View. Both of these tabs have groups of commands. The Tools group, the Shapes group and the Colors group are there on the groups. Tool groups and Shapes group are used to make drawings and the Colors group is used to color the drawings. Now you can see a blue color button on the left corner of the ribbon. This is known as the Paint button. And the white part of the screen is the drawing area. This is where you can draw. These are the parts of a paint screen. Now, it is given in your textbook how to draw a plus sign using the line tool. For this, you have to open the MS Paint. Then, you can find the line tool on the Home tab. Now, go on to the Shapes group. Left click on the line tool, choose red from the colors group, left click and drag the mouse to draw a line in the drawing area. Now choose blue from the colors group, left click and draw another line. Now you can see a plus sign using the line tool and two colors. The video will be uploaded after the class. Now, next you are going to study is Tools group. What all tools you have studied? You have studied this in the last year. You have studied about the pencil tool, eraser tool and fill with color tool. These tools are found in the Tools group. Now, first you are going to study is the pencil tool. What is the use of a pencil? We use a pencil to draw. Like this, the pencil tool works like a real pencil. It is used for freehand drawing. For selecting the pencil tool from the computer, you have to follow some steps. You have to first left click on the Home tab. From the Tools group, left click on the pencil tool. Then bring the mouse pointer onto the drawing area. Left click and hold the left mouse button as you draw. Now, in the textbook, you have been given how to draw a circle. By using this pencil tool, you can make changes in the thickness of the line also. You can select the thickness from the Size tool on the Home tab. Next, you are going to study is Fill with Color tool. From the word itself, you can understand what Fill with Color tool means. Just to color the drawings what you have drawn. Color the picture what you have drawn. Fill with color tool is used to fill color in a drawing. To fill drawing with red color, you have to first left click on the Home tab. From the Tools group, select Fill with Color tool. Left click on the red from the Colors group. Then keep the mouse pointer inside the drawing and left click once. The drawing gets colored, filled with red color. Next, what will you do if you do any mistake? You will just erase it. Like that, in the computer also, there is a tool for erasing your mistake. This is known as the eraser tool. The eraser tool works like a real eraser. We can use it to make changes to our drawing. For this, we have to follow some steps. Left click on the Home tab. From the Tools group, left click on the Eraser tool. Left click and hold the left mouse button on the part of the drawing you want to erase. Drag the mouse to erase it. Just left click on the mouse button and move the mouse without taking your hand from the mouse. Like this, we can erase a drawing. Next, you have been given how to draw a tree using pencil tool and fill with color tool. For this, from the Tools group, left click on the Pencil tool. Choose brown from the Colors group and draw the trunk of the tree. Choose green and draw the upper part of the tree. And from the Tools group, left click on the Fill with Color tool. Select brown from the Colors group. Keep the mouse pointer inside the trunk and left click once. You must be careful not to make any gap between your drawing. If there is any gap in your drawing, the color gets filled in the whole screen. Now select green from the Colors group. Keep the mouse pointer inside the upper part and left click once. Now we have drawn a tree using brown and green color. Next is saving a drawing. After we have draw and color a picture, we have to save it. For save a drawing, it gets stored in the computer. To save a picture, you have to left click on the paint button, left click on the save option. The save as dialog box appears. You have to type a name for the drawing in the file name box. Left click on the save button, then the drawings get saved. Next is closing paint. After we have finished drawing, we have to close the program. These all programs are done in Paint. Left click on the Paint button, then left click on the Exit option. Now we get exit from the Paint. One close button is also shown on the top right corner of the screen. We can left click on the close button to close the Paint program. In this we have studied how to start a Paint, how to the different tools, the different parts of the Paint screen, then different tools used in a Tools group, and how to save and close a program. How to save and close a program. Yeah, the videos of this chapter will be uploaded after the class. Thank you.